Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a truly impressive project, Snowdrop OS, a homebrew 16-bit real-mode operating system built entirely in x86 assembly language. It's amazing.
Wow, assembly language? That's hardcore. I'm curious, what sparked the creation of Snowdrop OS? Was it just a personal challenge, or was there a specific goal in mind?
It started with a childhood fascination, that classic curiosity about what happens when you power on a PC. The developer, Sebastian Mihai, wanted to unravel the mysteries of bootable disks and the inner workings of operating systems. He built it from scratch, which is incredibly impressive.
Incredible indeed. So what kind of functionality does this OS actually offer? Is it just a basic kernel, or does it have any applications?
Oh, it's far from basic. It boasts a file manager, a text editor, graphical applications, even a basic interpreter, and an x86 assembler and debugger. And, of course, a Tetris clone. Because what's an OS without games, right? It's even got a multiplayer Snake game via serial port.
A multiplayer Snake game? That's unexpectedly advanced for a homebrew OS. How does the multitasking work? Is it preemptive or cooperative?
It's evolved over time. Early versions were single-tasking, but later versions introduced basic multitasking support and even virtual display support. The details of the scheduling algorithm aren't explicitly stated, but the evolution through the different versions suggests a gradual improvement in its capabilities.
Fascinating. The project's been iterated upon extensively, going through 31 versions. That's a testament to the developer's dedication. What are some of the key milestones in its development?
Absolutely. Key milestones include the addition of a FAT12 driver, allowing file system interaction, the development of a GUI framework, and the inclusion of a basic interpreter and an x86 assembler and debugger, making it a fully functional development environment. The addition of a hard disk installer in version 19 is also a significant achievement.
It's remarkable how much functionality he packed into it. The fact that the source code is freely available is also a huge plus. This is a fantastic resource for anyone wanting to learn about OS development. I wonder if the bootloader is particularly optimized for size.
You're right, the open source aspect is a huge benefit. And yes, the bootloader is incredibly compact. Crammed into just 512 bytes, that's a testament to the developer's skill in assembly language optimization. It's a great example of efficient code writing.
Amazing! This whole project is a masterclass in low-level programming. It's inspiring to see what can be accomplished with dedication and a deep understanding of computer architecture. The inclusion of dynamic data structures is also a nice touch, showing a focus on efficient memory management.
Precisely. The inclusion of those libraries shows a level of sophistication beyond a simple OS. It's not just about getting something to work, but doing it efficiently and elegantly. The project is a fantastic example of what's possible, with a deep understanding of low-level programming and a lot of perseverance.
I completely agree. This is a truly inspiring project, a testament to the power of low-level programming and open-source collaboration. Thanks for highlighting this. It's been a fascinating discussion.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Snowdrop OS. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.